This is a corner of my living room, and I recently made this beautiful corner and I made my Christmas tree, which is wall mounted. I'll put a card link to this video. And I love this. This has all my handmade ornaments, fairy lights. The red pops beautifully. It's just the Christmas color. It makes everything so happy. I love this corner, and so I decided to decorate further this area and make it a cozy Christmas corner for myself. So the first thing I did was I brought in a peg table and a single chair. My chair is decked in dark chocolate color corduroy velvet kind of fabric, and this is a peg table on the sides just next to the Christmas tree so that one can sit and enjoy a hot cup of coffee or chocolate. Next, I covered my peg table or side table with a crochet runner, and on my chair I have draped it like a slip cover using a crochet table cover that I had, and I think this adds a little vintage charm to this, and I like the whites and the net work of filigree work of this crochet, and this looks nice. A hand woven woolen cushion cover for the extra comfort and cozy feel. I also added a stole woolen shawl in soft red color with beautiful Kashmiri embroidery. These are called chinar leaves in our country, and they are beautiful in their looks, shapes, colors, and the embroidery is beautiful. My little side table, and have added my believe sign here with the buffalo plate check hand painted sign, and I added little berries and some greens on the top, the red candle, pine cone tree, and here is my another candle and lots of pine cones and greenery here. I also brought in my Mr. and Mrs. Gnome in this corner, and they're happy to add happiness and cheer to my little Christmas cozy corner here. I love how my little Christmas cozy corner turned out. I hope you enjoyed this video too. Thank you so much for visiting. Take care, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.